On a serious note, this wood over here is getting moved again, so we can finally start doing the kitchen. I said that like I was a chef. A kitchen. Yeah, so we're gonna have to move it back to a spot to where it previously was. I know you guys are probably like, "Oh my gosh, why do you keep moving stuff back and forth?" Well, we can't help it. It's a little place. It's big enough for a family, but we have to keep moving stuff back and forth because we don't really have anywhere. We did have a building outside, but well, hey, whoever built it didn't build it correctly, and I didn't want to take it apart and build it again. Well, guess what? The door is wacky come backy, and it didn't come back. It stayed where it was at, and it fell over. But I tell you what, we can't put anything in there because it get wet when it rains. Hopefully the stuff that's still in there is not ruined. Right. But yeah, we gotta move this bull hockey. This called wood over somewhere else. I'm done.
Don't even.
In the break.
So I had to do it like that.
You gotta fix the sink.
Alright guys, so I know I'm a little all over the place. I've got paint to do here. I've got to paint this.
Which I haven't done as you will.
I have to caulk
Get
this.
to know. I have to call.
But
too.
so like I said, I'm a little bit all over the place. Let's check this out.
morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun.
Floating shelf going for this area. Gonna finish that one up tonight, but right now I'm gonna focus on getting the painting done, and I got a roller this time. So
Did you guys know that a goldfish is a tilapia? If you want randomness, you found the right channel. No?
huh?
No.
You just lift it up over.
I can't reach it.
Come on, get creative.
It's over there.
Get creative.
It's over there. You can take care of yourself for that too. The country wife, y'all. This is what happens when she cuts a slice of wood.
Help me, please.
Everything falls into order.
What is it?
Well, I can't do all this. I'm wash my hands. Oh my God. Doing all of that.
There's
Okay, that. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, I gotta go sweep. Whistle. What's your finger? That thing shoot up. What's your finger?
I know.
You know how to use it?
I'm not getting it.
Back in the pocket.
Guys, so I'm going to use some weathered oak. chain to put on this. And Renovates.
Ooh.